lovers, welcome to another video. It's your girl Sharon. If you're new here, thanks for clicking. You will love it here, trust me. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. In today's video, I'm here to share with you Lovelies, this lipstick by Ysl Rouge Volupté Shine. Let's go ahead and open to show you. First, before we proceed, let's talk about the packaging. Luxe, I must say, okay? I got this in 12 coral diamond. I think this is not really new. They added some new colors. Let's see. Get this out from the back side. Look at this. Luxe, luxe, luxe. Look at that. Yeah, it opens nicely, and this feels heavy. It feels heavy. The quality is there. Okay. Alright, this color you see here, I guess, is the color we have here. And Ysl all around it. Look at that. I love this. Love, love. It comes up so easily and goes down so easily as well. I love, I love. It snaps back nicely. I love the packaging, if you ask me. I'm just doing this for the camera. I just opened this just to show you Lovelies. As you can see, I have been using this. I love the fact that they have this in different colors. I love this color. This lipstick is beautiful. I used this today. I applied it 3 hours ago. Let me top up so you can see it clearly. I love this color. I love the fact that it's beautiful and gives that high shine, which is really good. Yeah, because you don't need to, apply lip gloss over it. No, it's not necessary. Yeah, I love the texture. Very smooth, very easy to apply. Very smooth, like butter. It feels so good. Feels so good. It's super moisturizing. Yeah. That smooth lips. You get that smooth lips here. It feels so comfortable. I don't feel like I have anything on my lips. And it looks well. This is good. I love it and have been rocking this. I got this during summer and I'm still rocking it. It's perfect for summer. Look at that. The scent. It smells good. Pleasant scent. And look at this. This looks so pretty on me, and I'm sure if you get the right color, you should get the same result. It's so pretty. Looks so pretty. This color, what a stunning color. Tell me what you think about this on me. I think it's stunning. I love it. This is a good place for me because I love red lips. Love red lipsticks and I love it. Smells so good. Very sweet, fruity smell. That smells good. Yeah, very sweet, fruity smell. It's well pigmented. I love the fact that I don't need to apply so much. I'm loving this. I wanted to share this with you, lovelies, because I hardly on my camera to share the products I don't love. Yes, this one is good. For the price, I got this for $39. Yes, and I think it's worth the price. If you are looking for a good lipstick, Ysl Rouge Volupté Shine is good, so good, I must say. I got this during summer. It's fall. Yes, I'm not dropping this. I'm still rocking this. Longevity, I would say this lasts between 5 to 7 hours on my lips. Is easy to reapply, so I don't mind. Look at that. It transfers. I'm sure you know what to do when you are wearing your lipsticks. Yeah, just be careful hugging. Yeah, and as I said before, you can always, easily reapply. Yes. My thoughts. I love the fact that the application is very easy. It's so smooth. Love the smoothness. It conditions my lips. For the price, $39, I would say it's pricey for a lipstick, but considering the fact that I don't need to apply lip gloss over it, lip liner, I would say it's okay, because I know how much it would cost me to get those. Yeah, very good shine. You get good shine with this. If you are looking for lipsticks that will moisturize your lips all day for all day comfort, if you are all about that, you will love this lipstick. Also the packaging, I love the packaging. Is so beautiful, so lush. I love it. I love Ysl line of lipsticks. Also I love Tom Ford. Beautiful classic colors. I love the fact that there are lots of varieties of shades to pick from. I love those lipsticks. The more you apply, the more you get that vibrant pop of color. Okay, that's all I have to say about this. Yeah, that'll be it for this lipstick. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time, I will see you, lovelies. Bye for now.